It is done. Okay, can you press Control A, Control I? Control A, Control I. Maybe that will be, that is fine. Yeah, Control A, Control I. Control I. Okay, Control S.
Yes.
Okay, done. Yeah. So yeah, line 7th, first if condition is starting. Okay, then line 20, the first if condition is ending. Okay, if you click on that, it will tell you where the end and where the if is. Okay, for the corresponding one. Yeah, now you put a debugger at the first line where we have the code. Yeah, that one, line 3. Put a debugger and try to analyze the code by running it. Yeah. Can you go little up? Maybe. Okay. Yeah. You know how to put a debugger, right? Maybe Control C. If some program is running, you want to force stop it, then you can type Control C. Okay, it got stopped. Okay. Yeah. Now put a debugger on line number 3. There is a straight line, right? Beside line number 3. Yeah, there. Click on there. Yeah. Now run your program and try to check in the steps like what is actually happening. Also observe what is going on the workspace left side. When there is an input statement, it will always ask you to give something. Unless you don't give it, yeah, it will not go. So in quotes, you need to type what is actually inside the if condition. Maybe in quotes, quote start and jack inside quotes. Same what you have given in the if condition. Now I give the inputs. Numbers you need to give in without quotes. Maybe single quotes you need to remove. Number will be divisible, right? So yeah. No, without quotes you need to give number. Only type the number. Yeah. Press enter. Yeah, number is even. So suppose you are giving some wrong credential. Try with some wrong credential. Okay, incorrect. Which is not proper. Username is not proper. First one is only not matching. Second one is also not matching, but it is not able to go inside. So what you can do, keep a debugger on line number 7 and now run the program. Okay, now step one by one and see left side also, and see how which conditions it is going in. Yeah, try with the correct password and username also once, maybe. Okay. So yeah, this is all about the nested if conditions. Like
Okay.
wherever you want to start the first part of the if condition, you just write the if and the and part at a time, and then fill in the gap, the remaining if condition or any statement. Then within that again something you can fill in. It is like a boxing type of structure, like in C. In C we start with parentheses and we end with parentheses. Here parentheses are not needed. You can use the AND statement to end the if conditions. In Python, what was happening, like you can give a colon and whatever you are writing, it should be indented, then only it will be taken, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but in here you no need to follow any indentation. So that is an advantage. Even if your indentation is wrong, it will work, but you need to give the AND.